guys, Tyra here. In this video I'm going to go for a hands-on review of the Canon EOS R here at Solar Cameras. Now this will not be a full in-depth field test review, but head over to our YouTube channel for more in-depth reviews. This will be more of an overall thoughts for someone thinking of buying one this month. A short and simple overview for you. For info on full specs and pricing, you should check out our website for the in-depth description. In this video I'm going to be discussing why you should buy the Canon EOS R and what I personally like about it. First of all, you can see the camera is very aesthetically pleasing with its sleek design. Now let me tell you my favourite thing about this camera, the autofocus, which is both fast and flawless. The face section is very good, so a good bet if you're into portraiture or street photography. Also, the flip out live screen is great if you are vlogging, or even better for YouTube videos. Now let's talk about the feel of the camera. If you are used to Canon cameras, it will feel familiar. However, there are a few changes that may take a little getting used to, like the touch sensitive navigation bar, similar to the new MacBooks, but they are highly customizable. Now internally, most of the camera is built similarly to the Canon 5D Mark IV, so the colour and quality may feel similar to you if you're used to the 5 series camera. Okay, let me move on to video. The quality of the 4K video on the EOS R is fantastic. The 1080p video is strong when used with the C-Log, gives increased sharpness and a lot more detail. Now for a few honest downsides. The ISO performance is respectable but not a leader in the class or category. The crop on the 4K to 1.7 times. Whilst the mirrorless camera itself is lightweight, the lenses on the R range can be quite on the bulky side. So to sum up, this EOS R is a beautiful mix of new and old, new design, new concept, and a smaller lightweight mirrorless body with that familiar Canon quality and feel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our more detailed reviews and demos on our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for promos, deals and discounts.